Hello everyone, I'm Fazai. In recent years, with the rapid development of new energy, electric vehicles, and various smart devices, have you noticed? The demand for film capacitors has also been soaring. Today, let me take you straight to Hongfa to visit this powerhouse. With over 40 years of capacitor manufacturing experience, Hongfa Wufeng, let's unlock the high-tech prowess behind the Hongfa capacitor products, tiny yet mighty. How exactly does the pile of raw materials transform through one precise process after another into a stable and reliable electronic guardian? Next, follow me to witness the birth of a capacitor. First, we've arrived at the metallization workshop. Look here, we use the industry advanced labeled coating machine from Germany. During the metallization process, the surface resistance of the metallized film is monitored in real time, and the equipment is automatically adjusted accordingly, ensuring each layer of film is coated evenly and steadily. This is a cornerstone for stable capacitor performance. See, the technician is precisely controlling the metallization process through the console, ensuring flawless quality. Next, we will head to the slitting workshop. As you can see, the line is anchored by the professional Kampf slitter from Germany. Its high-precision photoelectric tracking system enables automatic adjustment functions, guaranteeing the slitting quality of the metallized film. The slitting width tolerance can be controlled within 0.1 millimeters. The slitting line whizzes along at 500 meters per minute, implanting a rock-solid core that keeps every capacitor perfectly stable. Now we've arrived at the winding workshop. Arrays of winding machines operate in unison. The dual-side pressure roller technology ensures the films are laminated tightly, expelling air between the layers, enhancing the capacitor's long-term operation stability. Equipped with spindles of diameters ranging from 1.6 millimeters to 35 millimeters, capacitors of various specifications can be produced efficiently. Next, let's learn about our crucial step spraying. Here, the 4-station 6-gun low-temperature spraying machine completes one batch in just 6 minutes. The spraying system intelligently adjusts the spraying process parameters. Capacitors of different lengths achieve consistent spray height. Effective control of the uniformity of the spray thickness determines the capacitor's conductive performance, ensuring unimpeded current pathways. Metal particles are evenly embedded into the capacitor winding end faces, fully guaranteeing the capacitor's ability to withstand surge currents from metallization to spraying. Every single process in core manufacturing is true craftsmanship. Furthermore, there are still multiple trials like hot pressing, thermal setting, and epoxy potting and curing. The goal is to lay a solid internal foundation for the capacitor, achieving hardcore strength. That is it for today. Next time, we'll step onto the fully automated production line. Stay tuned.